Welcome to Byte&BrewPune. I'm Ashish, and in this ITIL4 Foundation series, I'm going to simplify every concept for you, one episode at a time. Today, we start with the basics. What is ITIL? Why does it matter? And how does it help IT teams deliver real business value? Let's begin.
Hello everyone, this is Ashish and today we are going to begin the complete practical industry focused journey into ITIL Foundation 4, which is the global gold standard for IT service management. When we say that global standard or gold standard on ITSM, it is the only framework which is helping us to improve the IT network, to run an IT structure or infrastructure in a company, in an organization. So wherever you are going to be a part of IT team, you have to face these frameworks and you have to understand all of these. And gradually we are going to complete this series with one by one chapter of ITIL. It's a good and interesting syllabus, a framework which people can be able to understand, and once you get this is an easier concept to follow, and this improves your work, your efficiency, CNC, sorry guys, and your production, your productivity, everything is absolutely fine and it will be polished. So let's begin this lecture, the first piece of this lecture. So in the last decade, IT has become the backbone of every organization as far as you people understand. Either it is manufacturing, finance, healthcare, retail, aviations, everything depends on IT services very smoothly, very importantly. And when we talk about the current scenario, there is a lot of things which we need to worry about as the security is the concern. So, but including all those parts of an organization which is running on, either it is internet servers, database servers, anything, it is all related to IT. It is all related to the networks. It is all related to the servers you are using. So it's a plenty of things which you people are going to recently understand and manage all those things. But in the real world, we often see recurring outages, as you people have heard of, like servers has gone down, network has gone down, repeated incidents comes in, slow response times, unplanned changes are happening in an organization, and frustrated users are there. And this is the thing, this is the scenarios where IT comes in picture and where these processes comes in pictures to streamline all those things. So this, or you can say this is the exactly place where ITIL comes in, and it steps into it and it creates a kind of environment which helps you to design, to deliver, to continuously improve the IT services so that organizations become more reliable, more efficient, and more predictable. So once you are managing your data, you managing your infrastructure, managing your everything smoothly, you become a very good, reliable and available environment for your end users. It may be your customers, it may be your employees of the company belonging to some other departments. So it could be anyone. Across this series, guys, we won't just talk about the theory. We will understand how ITIL helps teams to solve real world problems, how ITIL improves service delivery, how ITIL aligns IT with business goals, and most importantly, how you can apply ITIL concepts in your daily work. Whether you are in support, in infrastructure, cloud, DevOps, or service management, ITIL gives you a universal language to communicate, to collaborate, and to deliver the value. So when we say value, that value is a major important term which is used in ITIL V4 Foundation syllabus. So wherever you are, as you are going to proceed ahead with this ITIL syllabus, you will be able to understand that how you are going to imply or deploy a lot of processes, lot of services in your organization, in your daily work, and how you are going to achieve the values out of it. So, and having some 16 years of experience, guys, I'll try to make you understand all those things which is coming into a real environment, how people are handling all those things. So let me share a quick example with you guys. Like, I am handling an APAC region for IT in one of the reputed Canadian organizations. So we have 14 different sites across multiple countries, Each location had its own way of handling incidents, changes, and problems. The result was very predictable: repeated outages, no standard communication, delayed resolutions, no tracking of recurring issues, and business users losing trust in IT department of the company. So it's a very big pain point for a person who is handling the IT environment for such a big organization, and it's a manufacturing company. So then we came up with the thought that we need to standardize all the processes, all the principles, all that functioning of an IT department. So when we started standardizing these processes using ITIL principles, suddenly incidents reduced, downtime became predictable and manageable. And when we say that predictable downtimes, it never means that you are predicting a downtime and it is happening. When you are capable of predicting a downtime, you will be able to manage them also. You will control your changes, whatever is happening in your infrastructure environment. So these changes, these root causes identification, everything becomes more faster, more easier, and it always loops your stakeholders also in these discussions. So there should be nothing which is happening without a prior information or a notice to any of your stakeholders. So ITIL is not just an update, it is a complete modernization of IT service management. Older ITIL versions, when we talk about, guys, were more process heavy. ITIL version focuses on value creation, agile ways of working, DevOps alignment, cloud and automation support, digital transformations and flexibility instead of rigidity. ITIL4 has been rewritten to match today's rapidly changing IT environment, where speed, reliability and customer experience are everything. So when you talk about speed, reliability and customer experience, obviously it comes very first place when you talk about an ITIL point of view. So anything which you are delivering to your customer is going to be customer ending, and customer satisfactory should be there. So always you have to carry your CSAT scores, your CSAT management you have to have on your organization. So in this episode, guys, we will explore that what ITIL really is, the business need behind ITIL, how ITIL has evolved, a simple real world example, and how this foundation connects to the rest of the course. This will help you build a crystal clear base before we go deeper into the 4 dimensions, that is service value system, the ITIL practices. So there are plenty of things which we are going to take care of it and going to manage all those things. So before we begin with all those stuffs, make sure to subscribe the Byte and Brew and turn on the notifications, because each episode in this series builds on the previous one. Now let's start with the most important question. What exactly is ITIL and why does every successful IT organization follows it? Keep tuned with us, guys, and definitely we are going to clear all your doubts and these questions in the next video. Good luck. Thank you very much.